Hello everyone. Today we are going to see the lesson the souvenir. In this lesson, the souvenir means what? What is by the souvenir? Lesson number 2.2. What are we going to study? Lesson number 2.2. In this lesson, we are going to study the space journey on the moon, right? But what is meant by the souvenir? Souvenir means the valuable thing or thing which is very much valuable of any program or event or of any location. Okay, that is souvenir. Now in this lesson, Sally was the girl. She went on the moon in the shuttle. While going on the moon, she saw different views and panorama, beautiful views. She watched. It was an amazing experience for her. It was a wonderful experience for her because the picture which are captured from the space, to watch it and to have a real experience, it was a different thing, right? And Sally was experiencing it. Now Sally told her mother that in her means Neha's grandmother, what did she say? In her childhood, means in Neha's grandmother's childhood, longest tour was Delhi to Kolkata, right? And now also, if our longest tour is maximum Europe or America, right? But here, Sally, where had she gone? She had gone to moon for the trip with her friends, with her teacher, and now her her shuttle, that is we call spacecraft, it landed safely on the moon. Where it was landed? It was landed on the base of Neil Armstrong. Armstrong base. Neil Armstrong base. When the door opened of the shuttle, the receptionist gave some instructions. First instruction she gave, the gravitational force of the moon is just 1/6 of the earth, right? Second instruction means they have to be very careful. There is only gravitational force of earth where it is maintained in the human settlements. Human settlements means the colonies are made. Colonies means dome-shaped houses, we can say. Dome-shaped houses, just like igloo. Yes, igloo, igloos, houses like those of Eskimo. Like that houses are made. They are called human settlements. And in those human settlements, Earth's gravitational force is maintained. But what about the outside gravitational force? It is very less. That's why the receptionist instructed the children to be careful when they are outside of the human settlements. Yes. Second instruction, that they have to be, means they have to buy souvenirs, valuable things. I told you, huh? Souvenirs from only dome-shaped settlements from the shop. Okay, don't buy such souvenirs from the outside shop. Okay, she instructed. So their 3-day program was waiting for them. Yes, and what was the time? There was 15 days daytime and 15 days night time. And when they came on the moon, what was the time? It was night time. So for the first day, they have to what they had to do? They had to watch sky watch. They had to see sky watch. And how was the earth looking? Earth was looking 30 times bigger than moon and 70 times brighter than the moon. They experienced it. It was very beautiful scene for them. Then second day, they what did they do? It was the second day. they are allowed to wear a special suit, space suit. Why did they wear the space suit? Because when they are out of the human settlements, there is no air, there is no atmosphere, right? That's why what was done, they have to wear special suit, and after wearing special suit, already they got instructions or precautions. Don't jump very high. Yes, don't jump very high. And how were the children? They did not listen. Huh? They were jumping, they were running. The next day, they have to, what do you say, see what? Gymnastic, or they have to become spectators. How special arrangements were made. They have to sit in the tents, and they have to see uh, the gymnast, how they were having a long jump, high jump, 27 meter high. Yes, gymnasts were jumping. Then last day, what was the last day? They She remembered mother had told her to bring some souvenirs, so she thought to bring ornaments which were made of stone. And there were salesmen. They were selling, please sister, buy my ornament like this. But as it was instructed by the receptionist to buy only from the human settlements, so they went to the human settlement, and she bought earrings for her mother. Yes, she purchased those earrings. But when she came on the earth to give it, it was very heavy. And she remembered, Arey, the gravitational force on the moon, it is very less. And here is more. So, in this way, we have finished this story. Okay, of Saili. But when did, see, this is an imaginary story. And it can become true. What do you think? Today is 5th August. It is birthday of Neil Armstrong. When he put his first step on the moon, what did he say? Do you know? What did he say? One small step for a man, one giant leap of mankind. Yes, one small step for a man and one giant step for the mankind. Great meaning is hidden behind this. Means here man has started to make a great progress where in the space, right? So you can also have that dream when you will grow up in future. You can also go on the moon, just like a trip, as many people go to Europe, America as a trip by spending money. At that time, what will happen? There will be very less expenditure or less amount to go on the moon. Yes, and you can enjoy a trip on moon. Yes, because day by day we can see many technologies are developing, right? And with the help of those technologies, you can also go to the moon and you can enjoy lot of, right? So here I have completed the summary of the souvenir. In home, read it 3, 4, 5 times. After reading, send me summary of your own voice, audio or video, and written also summary you have to send me. Okay, it's your homework. Got it? And I will call you now. So till then, stay tuned, stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.